Google have some restriction that if I want to use advanced feature like NFCs, I have to maintain secure tunneling. That means I have to maintain my link uh, to be secure. So when I built my project, I am working on this project. You can see this is the project, and so you can see here this is the project I am working on. So this is the front end, right? So a person who want to access a, let assume he want to payment, um, he want to have a small payment, but how he gonna use this system. So first let's assume that he want to expend $25 dollar. Now my system will just when he just click on 25, and my NFT will active, and it will search for NFTs. And after searching, when it found, let's say it found a device, and when the device found it, in that time um, the transaction happened. Now it is showing false because my backend is not fully integrated, but most of the part is done, but main APIs are not connected. So you can see what step I am following. At first I just like to uh, just like to active which how much I want to expand. Then when I click that, that active a loop, or active a um, active a function, that function called NFCs. So NFC, in that time NFC has activated, and then when it active itself, it search for NFCs nearby. And after that, if it found, then um, if it found, then it will show yes I found, can I transfer. So you just have to click here to transfer. That's it. So you no, I am just describing what is the process, and how user will use my product. So first we have to tap this button so that I can activate a feature. I can handle the feature, and if there is a NFCs, then it will just hit the backend. So the backend will just post. First it will just get, it will have a get request. Then if he got every data, that means amount, driver ID, nonce, and merchant data, in that time if it found that, then it will post it on the backend, and it will came to front end. So most of the, so that is my system ongoing, and I'm working on that. But first I just say to you guys that I face NFC problem. So how I solve this problem. So NFC is a secure, not available for Chrome browser. NFC only use Chrome Android. So why so? Because we need secure transformation or secure link, that when my browser saw that link, it have to be confirmed that the link is secure. So that's why I am using Nginx secure tunneling, because of the because of the uh, because I have to secure my local IP address. That's why I am using Nginx. And after using my Nginx, and I just, you can see here I am so after using the Nginx, I can easily use this part. That means I can easily um, pass these datas um, through the IP address. So most of the part I just told, or I just displayed you, it is ongoing work. So hopefully this is the part, card bridge part. If you guys uh, want to learn, l- let's say if you guys ask me how can I build from scratch, I am willing to show you how I build one by one, part by part file, and how I integrate this NFT in my system. So that is the that is what I am working on. So I am just um, giving a short description what I am doing, and I am sharing my experience with you guys. So this is the AI race is going on, and I want to build this startup, so that I am solo founder. So because of AI, now I can I think I can build this startup solo. Is not a big deal, because I have lots of assistant, AI assistants. So people, I should you guys should also start your own project or own startup. Best of luck for you guys, and hopefully um, we will build this startup. And this is the initial point. This is the, let's say, this is warehouse part of my startup. Just like Google and Microsoft, every big startup came from warehouse. So hopefully my startup will be one day $1 billion startup. Thank you everyone to watch, and please comment if you want something to, if you want to know something about my startup, or if you connect with me, if you want to connect with me, so that you can share your experience, or how can I improve my startup web3 payment system, CardBridge. So I am totally open for everyone. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you guys.